Hey guys, good morning. It's day 69.
21.
Anyways, I do not have lemon and ginger because yesterday I got caught up at the mall with my teenagers. Love having teenagers. So I didn't have time to juice. We're still gonna have lemon. We're gonna have lemon shots this morning. This is what I used to do before I start adding ginger to it anyways. So we're gonna do lemon shots. Cut it up and juice it real quick. And y'all can see my big list down here on the counter. Oh, and I'm still down 16 pounds. So day 69, 16 pounds. Haven't been to the gym since like the first 2 weeks. So starting Monday, we're going to start working out again because this is ridiculous.
And I'm not looking right.
All the festivities are done. He swears he's so fat.
I don't look right.
And I need to go to the gym. I gotta get sexy before September, you guys. That's all I have. Okay, so this is all of my stuff that I have to do, but I gotta take my lemon shot first. So we're going to juice them. I already rolled them. Baby, wants your shot?
Yeah.
It's garbage. Sure.
Cheers.
Welcome to the madness. What's the madness? Secret room.
It's way more tolerable than.
Because ginger is what makes it so hot. I'm gonna take my goalies.
This place that I never want to leave. So nice to see you, dude. That sauce. Everybody knows it's here.
I didn't take
Cream gummies. The moment's out, I'm gonna cry. That's the nasty one. He's eating the booty.
No more eggs. I don't want no more eggs.
The booty sea moss.
Good.
Calm. I don't know how much these are working, but he made the eggs and toast, and Brooklyn is like going ham on this toast.
Yeah.
Pouring 2 shots of espresso into a Dutch chocolate shake. This is like heaven. No, this is heaven. The creamer. I'm still waiting for Silk to sponsor me. Guess they won't. Day 69 of promoting Silk, and they don't give me no money.
They don't know you.
Shake, shake, shake. I don't want to gain no weight at this party. Like, all we've been doing is partying. All month long. Party, party.
Life is gonna happen. It's always gonna happen.
Life is lifing. Oh, that's fun. I've been consistent on my Prolesta even though we've been lifing, and I think that's what's helping. Instead of like putting it off and like, oh, I'll start taking my Prolesta on Monday like I do the gym. I think that's why I'm still able to lose a little bit of weight and not just stay in one spot. So I ain't even mad. Well, Melissa would still have a pile of Prolesta and be like, I'm gonna start that when I start being better. But like he said, life is always gonna life. Cheers.
Where's the music coming from?
Alright, see you guys later when it's time to eat again.
But
We are getting ready to go to the store. So I'm making a tea real quick.
hi guys.
Brooklyn's going to the store with me, guys. So I'm making a tea really quick to bring with me because I haven't had one yet. And when I get home, I have to clean my whole house, do laundry, and cook food for the kids to have. So, let me go ahead and
Thumbs up.
thumbs up.
You're gonna bring a cup of tea.
Mm-hmm. I sure
It looks like a
am.
whole restaurant right there.
Looks like a whole restaurant.
Yes, because everything is set up. Plates, bowls, napkins, and cups and spoons and forks, and there is stuff for stuff.
Yep. Stuff for stuff.
You have napkins there.
So I ended up being out a lot later than I anticipated because while we were out, we ended up going to pick up one of Kamar's friends. So right now I have in the air fryer bagel thins. I think they're pretty much done too. So we're gonna take these out. They're the everything bagel thins. Have everything bagel thin, right? It's 110 calories. Got some creamy peanut butter. Why are you scared? Oh, it's brand new. I haven't... Beautiful. That's satisfying. Brand new peanut butter. Put some peanut butter. It's one of my favorite snacks right now. This is my snackety snack. So I'm gonna eat for snacks. And then I'm gonna work and then I'm gonna cook. Bam. Alright, so my husband and I are going out tonight for my brother's birthday. So I'm about to cook now so we can eat something small before we leave. And then everyone can eat when we leave. So, do this in time lapse. Okay, this is what I'm gonna eat before I go. It is white rice, cucumbers, a little piece of chicken, and tzatziki sauce.
Hey vlog.
Mara said, hey vlog. They said hi. They're eating this chicken. This is brown sugar, soy sauce chicken. This is their absolute favorite. I made my own chicken. Cucumbers. You can have ice cream in a little bit when everyone's done eating. Ooh, we got VIP. We got the limo service over here picking us up. Okay, girl. We got the limo. Hi.
Fuck out of here, Lisette.
It's mini flip cup.
Get out of here. I'm gonna get it first.
This shit.
Ouch.
My bad.
William. BJ. That's how the restaurants do it. We should start singing it right now. Happy birthday for the first time in these 69 days, I did not complete my vlog yesterday. We had a very good time last night, and we got home at 4 o'clock in the morning, so I didn't close out my vlog, and I didn't really vlog while I was there because I was just very present and in the moment, so sorry.
Don't drink that water.
But we had fun. It was a fun night, right, babe? So, yeah, I'm gonna go start day 70 now. This is me closing day 69. So, see you on the next video.